This video demonstrates how to use your reactivation code from Campion Education to help you easily activate your accompanying secondhand book's now expired e-text. Each publisher has different steps you will need to follow. This video will guide you through the process for a Cambridge reactivation code, making it as easy as possible for you to get started. Before we begin, please have your secondhand print textbook handy. After you've ordered your e-text through Campion Education, you receive an email containing the details of the e-text you ordered, including your unique reactivation code, the publisher website details, and instructions on how to reactivate the e-text. Click on the publisher website link in your email or enter it into your web browser. Once you're on the Cambridge site, enter or paste your copied 16-character code taken from the Campion email and click the tick box to accept the terms of use. Now click Activate Code. You will then be redirected to log in. If you already have a Cambridge Go account, enter your relevant email address and password. If you don't have an account, select Create a Student Account and follow the instructions. Campion recommends that you continue to activate all your new resources to the account active under your school-provided email. For returning users, after entering your email, click Login. When activating new products, you will need to give your country of residence as Australia and accept the terms of use. Now select Get Started on Go. You will be presented with a page showing your pre-filled reactivation code entered earlier. The Terms of Use tick box should be selected from when you did that in the previous step, and the system will load the window recognising you are reactivating the e-text for a secondhand book. You will then need to enter the code from the secondhand print textbook. This code is typically found on the inside front cover. Enter it in the second field indicated by the green arrow here and then click Reactivate Code. Once your resource has been activated, click on the link on your screen or find it in the Resources tab. Navigate to the top left corner of your screen to select Resources, which will load the tile of the newly activated interactive textbook to launch your resource. In some instances, you may need to refresh the page or log out, then log back in for this to appear on previously expired e-texts. Now select Interactive Textbook. When you first launch a digital resource on the Cambridge platform, you may be asked to select your state of residence. If your teacher has given you a class key, you can also enter it here to join your class. Now click Continue. Finally, you are now welcomed by the dashboard of the interactive text. If you've had any problems or still need help, you can email our digital support help desk at digitalhelp@campion.com.au. Please provide us with your username, student name, the name of your school, and a brief description of the issue you are having. We hope you have found this video useful. For more help videos and step-by-step guides, visit us at campion.com.au.